Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 GLS 450 4MATIC. This one's an iridium silver metallic. Underneath here is a 3-liter V6 twin turbo with 362 horsepower and 369 pounds of torque. This one comes with the lighting package with adaptive high beam assist, active curve illumination. For wheels, we've got 19-inch 5-spoke alloys, brushed aluminum running boards, black MB text interior with a black piano lacquer trim, ambient lighting, panorama sunroof, third row seating, GLS 450 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, clean set of all-season floor mats, fold down third row seats, lane tracking package with blind spot assist, lane keep assist, premium 1 package with Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, illuminated door sills, heated steering wheel, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, navigation, parking assistance package with a surround view backup camera with sensors, hard keys for the media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, heated and cooled cup holders, touchpad and wheel for the infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This GLS has 54,056 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLS 450, visit us at feldmanimports.com.